y'all, today I'm going to show you a new way that we're going to make hamburgers and keep it low carb. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our hamburger patties fried. Okay y'all, the only thing I done to these patties was put salt, pepper, and total seasoning on it. Okay, now that we've got them done, we're going to take them out and place them on this paper towel, and they'll drain up a little bit of that grease off of them. So let's get them out and set them to the side. And then we're going to use this same iron skillet to finish our recipe in. I took out just a little bit of that oil. I only need a little oil in our pan to finish our recipe with. We're just wanting to caramelize these onions. We're going to add tomatoes and some peppers. We're going to stack them in there good. If I had some real jalapeno peppers, I would add that, but this is all I've got. So we're going to add around a tablespoon of jalapeno peppers. Okay, y'all. Now, depending on how hot you want them, you may want to cut back to a teaspoon. The next time, that's what Travis said he wants. He don't want them quite as spicy. A little salt, some black pepper, some W sauce, and now we're going to give those a mix and let them start cooking down till they get caramelized. Now that we've got the peppers and onions about where we want them, I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. And now we're just going to cook it for just a few more minutes. Now I'm going to move all my peppers and onions over to the side. And we're going to place our ground beef patties back in the skillet. And I have already now cut my heat off. And now to the burgers, I'm going to put some pepper jack cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you've got. And now we're going to take our onions and we're going to cover our burgers. Okay, now y'all, just take your peppers, onions, and tomato mixture and stack them up. Stack it up on top of them burgers. It's going to make it good, y'all. Slide them over a little. And now we're just going to let those sit there and simmer and let our cheese melt. I'm going to put just a little bit more on the top of our onions on each one. Okay, y'all, that's a hamburger that we stacked up. We stacked it all up, and we're going to eat these with no bun, trying to stay low carb. Y'all tell me if y'all think they might be good, and if you're going to give them a try. Comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to let that cheese melt, and I'll show you what they look like when we plate them up. So if you're doing low carb like us, and you're probably eating a lot of avocados, I'm going to show you this way you can peel an avocado and you don't waste much of it. There's two different ways. You can scoop them out with a spoon, but let me show you this way, and you even save more of your avocado. Go ahead and cut your avocado like you do whenever you're going to use the spoon. But today, we're going to take and we're going to cut down the center of your avocado, the back side, the peeling, and then all you have to do is just peel the outside of it off. And that right there helps you save a lot of your avocado. You have a whole lot more for your money. Just take it, go down the back side of it, and just peel it right off. So then you get more for your money and more to eat with your dinner. And you don't waste as much of it. Look at there, how much come out. Hardly any. So now we're going to service up some of our burgers. And they're cheesy. But now if you wanted to have a bun with it, you could. But we're doing our low carb diet still, so we're just going to have these stackable burgers with the onions, the tomatoes, the jalapeno peppers, the cheese. And we're not doing a bun, but we're still going to eat a burger, even on low carb. Woo, they're going to be good, y'all. Okay, y'all, I hope you liked this quick little video on showing you how to make these hamburgers. Loaded, stacked hamburgers. You can eat a burger even when you're trying to do low carb. I hope y'all like our video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.